Assalamu alaikum dear doctors. In this video I am sharing about haze, its causes, clinical features and diagnostic investigations. First cause of haze is episodic viral haze or multi-trigger haze, and the clinical features here are clear history of viral trigger, episodic or multiple triggers. Diagnostic investigations for episodic viral haze is none needed if other causes excluded with history and examination. I am again repeating his causes episodic viral haze or multi-trigger haze. And clinical features is clear history of viral trigger, episodic or multiple triggers. Diagnostic investigation of episodic viral haze is none needed if other causes excluded with history and examination. Next cause of haze is viral infection or bronchiolitis. And clinical feature of bronchiolitis, we know that coryza, bilateral crepitations and hyperinflation. And diagnostic investigations for bronchiolitis is nasopharyngeal aspirate for immunofluorescence or PCR. I am again repeating his cause viral infection or bronchiolitis. And the clinical features of bronchiolitis is coryza, bilateral crepitations and hyperinflation. And diagnostic investigations for bronchiolitis is nasopharyngeal aspirate for immunofluorescence or PCR. Next cause of haze is gastroesophageal reflux disease or recurrent aspiration. And clinical features of GORD or recurrent aspiration, we know that vomiting, poor weight gain, recurrent chest infection. And diagnostic investigation of GORD or aspiration is pH study or bronchoscopy may show lipid-laden macrophages contrast study. I am again repeating his cause gastroesophageal reflux disease or recurrent aspiration, and it presents with vomiting, poor weight gain, recurrent chest infections. Diagnostic investigation of GORD and recurrent aspiration are, we can do pH study, bronchoscopy, which may show lipid-laden macrophages. Remember, bronchoscopy show lipid-laden macrophages, and other investigation is contrast study. Next cause of haze is inhaled foreign body. And the clinical features of inhaled foreign body is acute onset of symptoms with coughing or choking, sometimes focal haze. Remember, inhalation of foreign body child is present with sudden acute onset, previously well child, but sudden acute onset of symptoms with coughing or choking, sometimes focal haze. And diagnostic investigation is chest X-ray and rigid bronchoscopy. Importance is rigid bronchoscopy. I am again repeating his cause inhaled foreign body. Inhaled foreign body is present with acute onset of symptoms with coughing or choking, symptoms of focal haze. And diagnostic intervention is chest X-ray and rigid bronchoscopy. Next cause of haze is cystic fibrosis. And the clinical features of cystic fibrosis are cough in the first few weeks of life, poor weight gain, if pancreatic insufficient. And diagnostic investigations of cystic fibrosis is sweat test, may have been identified by newborn screening. I am again repeating his cause cystic fibrosis. We know cystic fibrosis present with cough in first few weeks of life and poor weight gain occur. There is pancreatic insufficiency occur in cystic fibrosis. And sweat test is the test for cystic fibrosis. Next cause of haze is primary ciliary dyskinesia. And primary ciliary dyskinesia clinical features is rhinorrhea from young age, recurrent otitis media. And investigations for primary ciliary dyskinesia is chest X-ray to look for dextrocardia present in 50% and ciliary studies. I am again repeating primary ciliary dyskinesia, and its clinical features, it presents with rhinorrhea from young age and there is repeated otitis media is present. And investigations for primary ciliary dyskinesia. This is chest X-ray to look for dextrocardia. Remember, dextrocardia is present in primary ciliary dyskinesia and it is 50%. And another investigation for primary ciliary dyskinesia is ciliary studies. Next cause of haze is immunodeficiency. Immunodeficiency clinical features is recurrent haze, persistent or unusual infections. And investigations for immunodeficiency is immunoglobulins, B and T cells functional antibodies and HIV test. I am again repeating immunodeficiency. We know immunodeficiency presents with recurrent, severe, persistent or unusual infections. And investigations, diagnostic investigations for immunodeficiency are immunoglobulins, B and T cells functional antibodies, and HIV test. Next cause of his is cardiac disease. Cardiac disease mainly presents with heart murmur, gallop rhythms, tachycardia, hepatomegaly, and basal crepitations. And investigations for cardiac disease are chest X-ray, ECG, and echocardiogram. I am again repeating his cause, cardiac disease. We know that cardiac disease are presented with heart murmur, gallop rhythm, tachycardia, hepatomegaly, and basal crepitations. And diagnostic investigations for his in cardiac disease are chest X-ray, ECG, and echocardiogram. Next cause of his, and the last one, is post-infectious bronchiolitis obliterans. And this presents with history of previous viral infection, usually adenovirus. And diagnostic investigation is high resolution CT scan. I am again repeating childhood cause of his post-infectious bronchiolitis obliterans, and the clinical feature history of previous viral infection and usually adenovirus. Remember, adenovirus. And diagnostic investigations for post-infectious bronchiolitis obliterans is high resolution CT chest. This is all about his. Please do subscribe and share my channel, everyone. Thank you, and check all the playlist box. Thank you.